Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to drop a database in MongoDB. Dropping a database is the same thing as deleting a database. First thing we need to do is open up two instances of our command prompt or terminal. The first we use to start the MongoDB server. So by typing in MongoD starts the server, and the second we use to start the client. So to start the client, which is a command line utility for Mongo, you do Mongo and press enter. So it tells you here one connection now open, and we've got the flashing cursor, which means the client is waiting for instructions. Before you perform any operation, it's always good to check things out. So I just want to list all the database I have to make sure I'm not deleting the wrong one. So you do show space dbs, press enter. It tells me I've got 3 databases. The default database is called test. I also created one earlier called Bluelime. So I want to delete or drop the database called Bluelime. So first I need to make sure I'm in the database. So I'll do use followed by the name of the database, and that will switch it to that database. So you can see now I've switched to the database called Bluelime. If I want to see a list of the collections for my database, current database, which is Bluelime, I just need to type in show space collections, press enter. Tells me I've got 2. This is a system.indexes, which is automatically added when you create a new collection or table. So this is the one I created earlier. It's called fruits. So collections are like what tables are in a traditional relational database management system. So in Mongo, we use the word collections. Traditional databases, they use the word tables. In MongoDB, you don't really need to create collection as per se. MongoDB automatically creates a collection for you when you insert some document. In order to drop a database, MongoDB has a method called db.collection.drop. Sorry, I got that wrong. That db.collection.drop is for dropping collection, not the database. That was my error. If you want to drop the actual database, you have to use db.dropDatabase. So I'm going to drop this database called Bluelime. So the way we do that, we type in the db.dropDatabase method. So we type in db.dropDatabase. It's a method, so you have to attach the parentheses after the command and press enter, and that will drop the database. So it tells you it has dropped the database called Bluelime. So if we do a show of database list, it should not be there. So we type in show space dbs, enter. You can see Bluelime is no longer listed as an active database because it has been dropped. So that's basically how you drop or delete a database in MongoDB. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.